All right, we're back. Now we're back with Masters of the Universe. Beastman, I like Beastman, but he was never one of my favorites. One of my favorites is obviously Skeletor, then it goes Trapjaw, and of course then He-Man. But I got this. I wait for these to go on sale. Sometimes a hit and miss. I missed it when it came down to $15 at Target, and then it went back up to $30 or $32. I was like, damn, I wish I would have bought it. Then I waited longer, then I waited longer, then I waited longer, then I waited longer, and guess what? He came right back down again. He came back down to $15. So I picked them up at Target for $15. And I didn't like it. I know people didn't. Back here is a perfect example. I kind of left that on purpose in a way, but you can see how I got a lot of lights on this thing. It's a dark brown, mustardy colored brown there. I could have repainted it, but I left it there. I mean, I don't really display it that way anyway. But here you go. I put it there. But anyway, what I'm getting at is I went brighter with the orange. And actually, when I took this thing apart, these Masters of Universe Revelation stuff and Masterverse stuff, I broke the leg. I snapped it right in half right there. I had to fix it. That doesn't swivel anymore like this one does. See, that bitch is solid because I snapped it. No matter how you warm these things are. This is kind of, I guess, more of a cheaper plastic or more expensive. I don't know which one it is, but anyway. But the point is here, me dragging on with trying to explain something for some reason. If you heat these things up, be careful when you take them apart. Okay, let's get right to what I did. Changed up the horns a little bit. Try to go with a different set of horns over here, like an old looking, whatever, I don't know, type of style horn here. I just look things up on the internet, real pictures, see what things look like. That's how I do it. Maybe that could help you guys out. I went in here. It's kind of, you can't, I guess you can see it better now with this camera, but this is like a dark blackish brown, and then I went with a complete opaque with the rest of it. I went in here and just these little subtle things, man. Look out for the subtle things. At least I think so. They make a difference. I even did his fingernails. I even went to the beauty salon and did his fingernails. So outside of that, it's complete repaint. Everything's completely repainted except his whip here and his diaper. I didn't mess with that. I wish this Celtic cloth wasn't there and it was original cloth. That'd been perfect for me, but it's still nice. I didn't use the big bushy thing it came with. I just didn't like it. I just like the old. This reminds me of the old classic style looking Beastman. This is opaque. These were orange. I went opaque with that. These were red. These were this thing was basically orange. Some lighter oranges and darker oranges. This thing was all orange. The shins were orange. The shin guards, the knee pads were orange. Everything was orange, man. So I just separated everything up, not to try to go too deep with it. Kept it kind of a cartoony feel of it. At the same time, just kept to the original looking Beastman. Found the original cartoon Filmation series to the classic series. I love the classic Master of the Universe figures, but I think Masterverse is heading that way, and they're going that way, and they got some new stuff coming out. Definitely digging the new stuff, man. I definitely like this Beastman. Outside of that, man, so that's 22 or 23. I think I only have one more to go, and that's it. That's all she wrote. I thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you sticking around the channel. I appreciate everything. And outside of that, man, just keep yourself doing your customs. Keep cranking. If it doesn't look right, just layer it. Just make sure you don't layer it too many times because then it gets just gunked up. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.